So take a look at this, guys. If you do take a look at analyzing this particular platform called tiktok.com using similar web statistics, you will find out that TikTok right here actually gets a lot of visits in just a single month right here. This is actually the amount of visits TikTok got in the last 28 days, as you can see right here, about 2.3 billion visits. That's a huge amount of traffic which TikTok usually gets. And if you scroll down to the bottom section, you'll be able to see that most of its traffic comes from countries like the United States, which constitutes of about 18.68% of that website traffic, Vietnam 7.21%, Philippines 3.8%, Mexico 3.68%, and Peru 3.39%. And you can see a huge amount of traffic comes from the United States. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you could easily drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers utilizing this particular website called TikTok right now. So guys, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of some cool AI tools. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out. You could also make sure, guys, that you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos that could help you boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So guys, we're going to be utilizing this platform right here called cpagrip.com. You could also use any other CPA marketing platform of your choice, but make sure that the CPA marketing platform do have the content locking capabilities, as that's what we're going to be diving right into today's video. And you can see right here, you could click on register, go on to following the necessary registration process to actually create an account on this platform. It is quite easy to do so right now. And once you do that, go on to log into your account. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account right here. As you can see, this is how much I've actually been able to make. You can also go on to seeing right here that you could come onto this page, which is the URL file locker section, by coming onto the monetization tools, selecting the URL file locker. And once you come onto this section right here, you could go on to creating a new URL file locker. But guys, this is one that I'm actually going to use right here to actually promote my CPA marketing offers. But I'm going to show you how you could do just that right now. And the cool thing about using URL file locker is that if you are promoting this offer, you don't need to actually be concerned with the country or the demographic that is actually clicking that particular link. You just need to be concerned on promoting that link, because if you do promote that and any demographic clicks on the link, they are going to be shown offers available to their demographic only, and if they do complete that, you're going to get paid some cool affiliate commission. Now, for you to utilize these, guys, you need to click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, of which you'll be brought to a very cool page where you can just simply go into creating a simple locker right now. And guys, you need to have a content that you can just simply lock in this content locker or URL file locker that anybody can do virtually anything to gain access to that. And for you to do so right now, you could leverage platforms like freeplrdownload.com. You're going to getting free ebooks where you could just simply go into utilizing. As you can see right here, you could get ebooks on any of these niches right here. As you can see, the niches are quite numerous. You can see the internet marketing niche, the list building niche, the finance, email marketing, business, blogging, and a lot more other niches. You could also focus on this platform called idplr.com to get free ebooks that you could just simply go into downloading. Once you download the ebook right now, maybe you could focus on a niche, but me, I'm going to be focusing on the make money online niche. And if I do go on to downloading an ebook, head on to this platform called mediafire.com and upload that ebook. So upload, just simply click on this upload icon, click on this plus section, go on to selecting the ebook from your device and upload on this platform right now, and click on begin upload. It will be uploaded and you can grab a link to that ebook. As you can see right now, I have some cool videos on make money online. You can see right here, I could just simply come right here, click on that particular ebook, click on these three dots, copy the link, and I can head back to my CPA marketing platform, paste that link in this locked URL section, and continue building my URL file locker. I can select the template and actually do go on to selecting template, which is the file download locker, head back to general, give the locker a name. I can scroll down to this section, and this section right here, you need to actually edit this to actually fit into properties of that particular locked content. So guys, that is basically how to just simply create a URL file locker. Once you're done, click on save, your locker will be created. And you can actually do see that that's what I actually did for this my locker right now that I'm actually opening for you to go on to see. You can see right here that all these details have actually been changed to fit into that particular locked content in the locked URL. Once you're done, just simply click on save, and that will actually be created right there. You can click on get link, copy the link to this, and go on to creating a simple landing page. You could utilize platforms like Google Sites, Breezy.cloud, Systemi.io, Webflow, and a lot more other platforms to create simple and cool landing pages for absolutely free. And guys, you can take a look at this landing page I created for that particular offer. You can see that this is the landing page right here, and see how cool it actually goes on to looking like. It's just promoting this ebook right here, and you can see once somebody do click on this section that says click here, it's automatically going to lead them to my URL file locker, where if they do complete an offer, I'm going to make money on CPA grip. So all you need to do right now to create a simple landing page such as this, that's for people that don't know how to create a landing page. If you don't know how, just simply head on to my channel, OJ Marketing, click on this search icon and go on to typing in landing page. And if you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see a lot of videos I created for you that shows you how to create a simple landing page, either with Breezy.cloud, Systemi.io, Google Sites, Systemi, Webflow, and a lot more other websites right there. So just simply leverage those videos to learn how to create a landing page, as landing pages help boost your conversion rate for your CPA offers. So right now guys, once you've created a landing page, head on to this platform TikTok, and you could just simply search for the make money online or make money on Fiverr or something related to making money. If you search for that, you'll be able to see a lot of videos that you could utilize. You could select one of the videos right there. Once you do select the video, I'm going to pause the video, and you can see right here that a lot of people are actually interested in making money online. You can see this person says ready, this person says I'm ready, this person says ready, and the list keep going on and on. Everybody are actually interested in making money online. So all you need to do right now is to just simply go on to replying people's comments right now, and in the reply you could just simply type something like telling them you actually have a free course that you want to just simply give to them for absolutely free. And that course is actually a detailed or a free ebook rather, and that ebook is actually a very cool and detailed ebook that shows them ways to make money online. The ebook has helped you before and you want to give it to them for absolutely free. If they're interested, they should send you a DM, like they should send you a direct message. And if you do that right now, you can actually go on to replying to this particular person. You could reply to as many people as you want, or you could just simply add that in the comment section down below. And guys, for as many people that are interested in that, we'll be able to go on to contacting you. And once they do contact you guys, all you need to do is to send them the link to your landing page. Once you send them the link, they're going to go onto your landing page, which will also in turn lead them to your URL file locker, and they have to complete an offer before they can gain access to that. You could also give them a heads up that they just simply need to complete a simple survey before they can gain access to the ebook right there for absolutely free. If you give them a heads up, they will know that they are actually going to be completing an offer right there before they can gain access to the content, and you're going to be making money from doing so. So you can actually focus on as many videos as you can right here on this platform to go on to doing similar strategy right now and make a lot of money online. So why not just simply try this out right here to make some cool cash online? So if you have any question, why not just leave that in the comment section down below, and I will be able to go on to give you a cool and amazing reply as soon as possible. So that is it for now. I do hope the video added some value. If yes, do hit the like button to the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.